Hi, this is Mark. Today I'm going to demonstrate and show you how to use SmartLink system translation management software. To better understand how we can operate a system, we can refer the table of contents I exported from the user guide. So we will be going through the product translation project from translation step to reviewing step and then publish the job. And then finally, we'll be looking manual translation project, as there will be a slight difference of operation with product translation project. So today, to start with, you have to log in your SmartLink with your account and password, and it will prompt you to this default job dashboard. However, the job dashboard has system bugs. Not all the jobs are available from the current work. So we suggest that you should navigate yourself to the StringView interface. So how are we going to go to StringView interface? Hit the project, product translation, project, translations, StringView beta, and this is the StringView dashboard. So in the StringView dashboard, you can see the whole strings within this project, product translation project. So how are we going to find the translation job? You're going to translate. We take Sylvia's accounts, Spanish account, translation resource account as an example, using the SKU code 3094851. So hit the drop down, enter a search by the SKU code, and you will see the drop down display the result. And the results are displayed, and which means all the strings within this job are displayed in the string view. However, remember to apply the other two filters, status and languages. So hit the in progress, hit and select the language you'll be translating with. And for the in progress status, it includes both translation and reviewing steps. So how are you going to navigate to your translation interface? Hit this icon under the action column, Edit in Cat tool, and it will prompt you to the translation interface. So this is the translation interface. And how are we going to start with? So the language resources panel shows memory machine translation, and glossary, in which you can insert with. And this is the product title. Regarding how to differentiate and identify the brand, you can view 3.1 brand identifications for non-VitaXL brands, and this is the VitaXL brand. So it's easy to identify with, and it's particularly highlighted as do not translate. So I'm going to start a translation. This is the source text, and this is the target language, Spanish. Oh, and also one thing, to find the product image, hit the context, and the product image will be displayed. Okay, so I'm going to continue with my translation. Okay, so we have already set the character limit for product title, which is 70. Okay, so allow me to continue translation. And here, okay, if you found there is if you found for example, the memories or are segmented, you have to merge the segment yourself by hitting merge segment. And sometimes allow me to roll back, restore segmentation if necessary, if you want to separately translate the given string. You can hit the restore segmentation. And if you found there are grooving line on these memory blocks, you have to remember, like I said in the user guide, you have to merge the segment so that the memory can be inserted. Okay. Unfortunately, there is no grooving line here, but you can refer what or how the grooving line looks like from the user guide. Okay, allow me to continue translation. And remember, if you see the HTML code here, first you have to remove, okay, you have to remove, like for example, if the memory is around 70, is below 75 or around that, even is 100 if you would like to based on revision. Remove all the string, hit the HTML code, and always remember, put your cursor at the end of the HTML code, and then hit insert. Sometimes the memory doesn't include the HTML code, so in this case you have to make sure that, for example, here you have to make sure the HTML code is inserted in a corresponding placement by dragging the cursor. Oh, Hi everyone, let's continue to the review step. So again, use the SKU code to search from the job folder and apply the status in progress. Select the targeted language and you will particularly see from the status in progress the strings are in review steps. Again, adding cat tool, it will prompt you to the review interface. So in the review interface, how are you going to reject the string? Here you can just hit, for example, you're going to reject the string here. Okay, hit the reject and choose the reason for rejecting and type the reason in the short description and hit the reject, and the strings rejected windows will pop up and close. And as you can see, there are two strings which are rejected, and one, if you still remember, we added comments as open issue to particularly highlighted the source text contains the error during the translation step. Okay, so if you find the string which has issue, okay, it will show the level here will display red, and the string which have issue will be red flagged. Okay, and then we save the page. Okay, and submit saved 5 saved translation in this job. Submit. Okay, so how are we going to troubleshoot the rejected string? Again, go to the string view interface with the SKU code. And you will particularly see the string that has the issue that you need to take action. So adding cat tool, sorry, okay, and if you revise the string, remember to turn the lever to green and hit the save page. Okay, right now you are in the translation step, and hit the save page, hit submit. Okay, and all the strings in these jobs have been submitted. Okay, so go to the string view interface again. Okay, here, and as you can see, there is only one string in the review step, while the others, if you still remember, once I submit the string which contains 0 will go back, went back to the translation steps, while the others which have no issue will be prompted to the publish step. So I'm going to submit this. Okay, you can either save comment here one-on-one, or you can save page to save all the strings. Save and hit submit, and you will see all the strings. Allow me to refresh here. Okay, so there is no strings in translation or review steps. So once I hit published, all of them are in the publish steps. And right now, I'm going to teach you how to bulk select the string. So if you want to select the string from, for example, 13480 to 1348110, remember to deduct the last digit. So, which is 13480. 13480. So the jobs from 13480 to 1348110 will be displayed. Okay, so this is the SKU range workaround within SmartLink. Next, I'm going to, and also you have to bear in mind that only select the relevant SKU, because irrelevant SKU will also be displayed within SmartLink. So always remember. So I'm going to select multiple jobs. Once you select the multiple jobs, just hit one of the string, adding cat tool, and all the strings will be displayed. Okay, and all the strings will be displayed. In some cases, the total the total word counts displayed here is incorrect. So this is a system bug. We're working on it and following up with SmartLink. And right now, I'm going to teach you how to conduct the post edit. So, as everybody's know, for the post edit, that means you revise something, some contents in CMS, and it will trigger untranslated to SmartLink. So we take 409100 as an example, and remember to pay attention to the revision detail. For example, here you have to revise from Bow Garden to Bootcamp, Bow Trail to Bow Camp, Gamp Gear to Bow Camp in the title. So in this case, 409100 is Bow Garden to Bow Camp. So here I've already revised from Bow Garden to Bow Camp, and also there is incomplete memory within SmartLink. Continue with post edit. So in the post edit, like I said, we use 409100 as an example. From the July ticket, it particularly highlighted from the revision detail that you need to change from Bow Garden to Bow Camp for SKU code 409100. And also note, okay, for this SKU, delete pictures with old brand and upload pictures with new brand. Okay. Since the memory in SmartLink is not complete, so you have to log in your CMS to help us copy and paste the existing translated content to make SmartLink's memory complete. Like for example, I have already completed most of them. For example, this is the product title. So you have to copy and paste, right? A title copy and paste, right? And also there are like body. This bootcamp large marquee. So it's from here, and you have to copy and paste all the information, a body, property, to make the translation complete. And these are keywords. And once you finish the translation in the post edit step, in the post edit, okay, like I said, you can save the translated task one-on-one. Oh, also, I forgot that you have to search the from the string view, right? You have to search the SKU from the string view. So this is the SKU code 40. This one. Okay, it's in the translation step. Just want to make sure. Okay, you can either hit the save button, save one string after next, or you can save the page and hit save. And one of the things I would like to particularly highlight here is all the screenshots in the user guide are save all, but here in SmartLink there are save page, so kindly be noted. And once you finish your translation, remember, hit submit, right? Okay, oh, this is Bow Garden, right? Yeah, Bow Camp to Bow Garden. So Bow Garden to Bow Camp. Change the brand from Bow Garden to Bow Camp in the title. Okay. Bow Camp, Bow Garden to Bow Camp. So this should be Bow Camp, right? Okay. sorry. Okay, Book Bootcamp. Okay, just want to make sure. The Furigo, double check. Okay. Here, yeah. Okay. Save page. And submit. Okay. Again, go to stream view. Hit the publish tab. Oh, let me see. Sorry. Maybe they are published. I think they are. Oh yeah, okay. They are in review steps, right? They're in review steps. Okay. Or sometimes SmartLink doesn't reflect so instantly, so you have to wait, give it a few minutes or maybe a few seconds. So adding capture. So after translation step, you're prompt to review steps. So I have no question. Again, save page, save all, and submit. Okay, submit. Go to dashboard. No dashboard. Yeah. Go to stream view. Okay, it should prompt you to the published. So all of them are published. And that's it. Thank you for listening to my demonstration.